Welcome to the Datagrid Card Form tutorial. Card forms enable the creation of multiple property items for option container list items, which can be utilized on your documents and accessed in your custom scripts. To access the card form interface, hover over Custom and select Forms. This interface was detailed in the Forms and Form Sections tutorial. To exclusively display report forms or cards, utilize the drop-down selector under Form Type, where you'll notice distinct icons representing each form type. For this tutorial, let's select Cards. Now only the card forms are displayed. Let's examine the structure of a card form by selecting one. Card form properties are established in the card form sections. Click on a section to explore its user interface. In the Fields tab, you'll find a database of questions that can be enabled or disabled using the buttons on the right. Above the top section of the form fields, you'll notice the title, Enabled, Shared Form, Fields, and below it, Unused, Shared Form, Fields. This database of form fields is created in the Shared Form Fields interface, accessed by hovering over Customize and selecting Shared Form Fields. We delve into creating shared form fields at the end of this tutorial. Now, let's demonstrate how simple it is to create a new card form. Click the New button at the bottom left or the top right. Select the Card radio button, add a title and description for your new card form. I'll title this one Card Form Example and provide a description. When ready, hit the Save button. Navigate to the Form Section tab to find the newly created card section. Click on the title or the Edit button to the far right to edit the section. In the Card Section Details tab, you can modify the title and description and enable or disable this form section. Click on the Fields tab to review all the available fields created in the Shared Form Fields interface. Upon new card creation, there will be no enabled fields in the upper section. To add a new field to the upper section, click the Enable green button next to each field you'd like to add to your new card. I'll select 3 items for this example: deficiency, product name, and description. To review the changes made, hover over Customize on the main menu to the left and select Cards. In the Option Container and Options list, I'll use Model A Pressure MD for this example. You'll now notice 2 tabs on the right side, one of which is the card form example we just created. Clicking on it will display the enabled fields, deficiency, product name, and description. Now, you can input information into these categories, which can vary for every item on the cards list on the left. Review the Reports Layout tutorial to see how these fields are populated into reports. To create shared form fields, or add to your existing list, hover over Customize and click on Shared Form Fields. In the Shared Fields page, you'll find a list of existing fields. To add a new one, click on either the New button at the top right or bottom left. Select the question type you want to add, input your label, and click Save. Your newly created field is now ready to be enabled in your preferred card. Thank you for reviewing Datagrid's Card Form tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrid's powerful features.